Hi, it's Millicent. Today I'm going to take you guys to visit another factory to make pipes. What kind of pipes are they? Let's go to see. Now we can see in front of us is the model, and here is the machine to produce the model. Now we can see here the raw material zone. After collect the raw material, we will put it over there to smelt it. We can feel here the temperature is very high, and here is our heat treatment zone. After this process, our pipes will become high wear resistant. After several processes, we can see here are the semi-products, and these are the straight pipes. Wow, it's so heavy. This is the flange, and we will put the flange and weld it on the pipe. Here is the process. Now we can see here is the elbow. Here is the semi-product area for elbow. Over there we will weld the elbow, and we can see here the elbow is almost. After all this kind of process, we can see here is the pipes we introduced for you guys. Here they are the pipes for the pump trucks. Let me see. Wow, it's too heavy. I can't.
Ecer technology makes foreign trading easier.